Hello everyone, Food Manifesto here, and today's recipe is BBQ Tofu. So, what do we need? Tofu, of course, onions, 2 carrots and 1 courgette, lightly cooked mushrooms, tomato paste, garlic, and your favorite spices. I used paprika and pepper. Cut the onions. Feel free to cut roughly because we will blend it all later. Don't forget to put some veggies aside for our barbecue. Add some oil and saute the onions and the carrots. Chop the garlic, cloves, and add them to the pan. Add the mushrooms, and the tomato paste. And finally, your favorite spices. Slice the tofu as you prefer. In this video, we are going to see 2 options. The first one is tofu and vegetable sticks. If you don't love the taste of onion much, just switch to peppers or other veggies you love. Then we have the tofu ribs. Just slice the tofu from one side to another and use the sticks to keep it together. Let's make the barbecue sauce now. Blend the sauteed vegetables. You can add some lemon juice and soy sauce for extra taste. But this is optional. Marinate for at least 1 hour and afterwards put in the oven 170 degrees for about 50 minutes. And this is the delicious recipe of today. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.